Yep, yep, yeah.
New movement, Salisbury. As the world turns, you know,
Backs to the wall,
gotta
head
stay
to the
focused.
sky. Mind
You know
over
what I mean?
matter for the reasons why.
Life
Stuck
made
in
a
our
nigga
ways that life have made.
what he
Right
is,
now
you
we
know what I
paving
mean?
the way to blow the
So
next
I'ma
day.
just stay
As the
what I
world
am.
turns, we keep our backs to the
going,
wall,
you know?
head to the sky. Mind over
That's
matter
what it
for the
is.
reasons why. We stuck in our
You
ways
hear the
that
hook?
life have made. Right now we paving the way to blow.
In a world full of schemes, I got ambition to get cream. My environment raised me in poverty, baby. I grew up in the 80s, a crazy baby, but feeling like I'm worthless, living the devil's curses. My life is no rehearsing, spit hard on all my verses. This is my sequel to my life in preview. Live in stereo sound, you witnessing now. M-A-R-Z, he motivated. Time is money and I can't waste it. Feeling like a half hour late. More money, more problems, 38 on my waist. Protecting my space, invade, I'ma pop in your face. Meanwhile, I'm trying to stack bread, I'm living hungry. Stomach touching my ribs, tired of being bummy. And quite lately, bitches they hate me. They smile in my face, but really they snake me. For what it's worth, they all living for a sake of a buck.
As the world turns, we keep our backs to the wall, head to the sky.
Movement
Mind over
music.
matter for the reasons why. We stuck in our ways that life have made. Right now we paving the way to blow the next day. As the world turns, we keep our backs to the wall, head to the sky. Mind over matter for the reasons why. We stuck in our ways that life have made. Right now we paving the way to blow.
The list been long awaited. All this debating got me frustrated. Working this 9 to 5, low wages, losing patience. Ain't one for hesitating, but the type that always been humble. That's why I waited, plus the options and weighed them. I tried slinging, but can't see the life for being caged in. Zone to focus, open to find ways through mazes. Fill pages, black loot and spit in the booth. Kept it real and still spit truth and still pay dues. Intelligent like Jules, using the tools that I possess. So my mind can conjure rhymes, sometimes can let it rest. Ain't proven to be the best of one of them, but you gon' respect the diagnosis. And as Ken folks is coming in, it's that movement, use it like offensive lines. We move shit, real hip hop in the game, taking out all that bullshit. We take a stand so we ain't taking falls. With our back against the wall, zoning on all y'all.
As the world turns, we keep our backs to the wall.
What you
head
have
to
just
the sky.
witnessed
Mind over matter for the reasons
It's
why.
known as the
We stuck
worldwide
in our ways
movement.
that life have made. Right now we paving the way to blow the next day. As the world turns, we keep our backs to the wall, head to the sky. Mind over matter for the reasons why. We stuck in our ways that life have made. Right now we paving the way to blow.
God kills. Introducing Hertford County's finest. CB. Nigga Jackpot on the track. What up, my nigga? The Hosky.